We're here at the third oldest house in Fairhaven at 16 Middle Street, just a block away from the working waterfront. The Rufus Allen House was built in 1774. Sits just north of Fort Phoenix, near the bike path, right in Fairhaven Center with all that it has to offer. And a fun fact, during the American Revolutionary War, it was hit by a cannonball. Let's take a look. 60 Middle Street is also known as the Pump House. Why? Well, we've got the town pump that was installed in 1790 directly next door. This pump provided fresh water to the ships down at the waterfront. Interested in the home? Give me a call at 508-965-8683 or send me a DM.